Holy crap, it's crazy, guys. So someone got stuck there, so I have to probably go right here. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Oh no, no, please go, don't get stuck. Alright, we're good, guys. But there are some, people got stuck, so it's crazy. Holy crap. You guys good? Anything I can help? Anything I can help? You good? Yeah, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, it's crazy out there, guys. Just be careful. Drive safe. It's one hell of a wind.